So good morning, dear students. Greetings of the day. I am welcoming all of you, and I hope that your health is good. Everything is good. Now, from today onwards, we are going to start our new chapter in Standard 6, chapter number 2 in Geography, the globe, the latitudes and longitudes. But first, we are going to learn the hard words. Now, all are requested to take your position. Have a look on page number 115, 115, and take your SS notebook. Keep all these things, textbook, SS notebook, then ball pen, everything. So during this class, you are supposed to write. Okay, I will explain, I will speak for 2 or 3 times, and you have to repeat with yourself. Okay, and you have to write down all the hard words during this class. So after this class, you have to show me here. So whether you are writing or not, just take your position, take your ball pen, then pencil, rubber, whatever, and SS notebook, and you have to write it down, and you have to talk with yourself, speak in your room. Okay, so I am going to share the screen of the hard words. Now, wait, let's start our hard words. The chapter number 2, the globe, latitudes and longitudes. These are the hard words that we are going to learn today. So, step by step, okay, I will give you the time, and very slowly that you have to listen every word, everything, the pronunciation. You have to speak and you have to write down all the words. So first of all, I am going to annotate it, so you will able to understand. Okay, so let's start. I am going to use this color. Which color that I am going to use? So today, once again, I will take this red color. So first word is exist. Exist. A-X-I-S. Exist. A-X-I-S. Exist. Second word is equator. 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 E Q U A T O R. Equator. 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 Third, Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich. Greenwich Mean Time. MEANTIME. Greenwich Mean Time. Next, local time. LOCALTIME. Local time. Local time. Next word is latitude. 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 Next word is longitudes. Next word is longitudes. LONGITUDE. longitude, longitude. This one is latitude, this one is longitude. Axis, equator, Greenwich Mean Time, local time, latitude, longitude. Now again I am going to start here. Here, next word is equatorial. It is here, equatorial. E Q A E Q U A T O R I A L. Equatorial, equatorial. E Q U A T O R I A L. Equatorial. Next one is circumference. 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 Next, astronauts. Next word is astronauts. Astronauts. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T-S. Astronauts. Astronauts. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T-S. Astronauts. Astronauts. Next word is standard time. Standard time. Standard time. S-T-A-N-D-A-R-D. Standard. Standard time. T-I-M-E. Standard time. S-T-A-N-D-A-R-D. Standard time. Next word is prime meridian. Prime meridian. Prime meridian. P-R-I-M-E. Prime meridian. M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N. Prime meridian. Prime and meridian. P-R-I-M-E. Prime meridian. M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N. Prime meridian. Next word is poles. P-O-L-E-S. 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 Poles. Poles. The next word is globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Next word is northern. N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N. Northern. North direction. Okay. Northern. Next word is southern. Southern hemisphere. S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N. Southern. It is not southern. It is called southern. Just observe my lips movement. Southern. It is not southern. It is southern. Southern. Northern. Southern. Next word is hemisphere. 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 H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R-E. Hemisphere. Hemisphere. H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R-E. M-I-S-P-H-E-R. H-E-R-E. Hemisphere. Hemisphere. Next word is torrid. Torrid. Next word is torrid. T-O-R-R-I-D. Torrid. T-O-R-R-I-D. Torrid. Next word is temperate. Next word is temperate. Temperate. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-E. Temperate. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-E. Temperate. Next word is frigid. F-R-I-G-I-D. Frigid. F-R-I-G-I-D. Frigid. 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 Next word is parallels. Parallels. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-S. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-S. Parallels. 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 Next word is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. T-R-O-P-I-C of Cancer. C-A-N-C-E-R. C-A-N-C-E-R. Tropic of Cancer. Next word is Tropic of Capricorn. T-R-O-P-I-C. Capricorn. Just one word is different. Cancer and Capricorn. C-A-P-R-I-C-O-R-N. Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Next word is meridians. M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N-S. Meridians. M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N-S. Meridians. Next word is international. International. Next word is international. I-A-I-N-T-E-R-N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. International. International. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. International. Just observe all these things, all these hard words that we are discussing right now. Just here, just see, dear students. This is all that we have completed. Axis, equator, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay. Axis, equator, Greenwich Mean Time, local time, latitude, longitude, equatorial, circumference, astronauts, standard time, prime meridian, poles, globe, everything, my dear students. Then next word is globe, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, hemisphere, torrid, temperate, frigid, parallels, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, meridians, international. Okay, so all that we have completed now. Okay. Now, again, I am going to start chapter number 2, hard words that we have completed. So what we are going to do now? I have right now the globe. So that with the use of this globe, I am going to explain everything about the horizontal lines, about the vertical lines, about the Greenwich meridian, prime meridian, 0 degree, 23.5 north, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 south, everything that I am going to explain it. Okay, and you know that our Earth is very unique planet. Different continents are here. Okay, different continents, countries, different culture that we have on this globe. My dear students, our country is here. You can easily locate any country. You can easily locate any country, any state. Okay, different parts, different continents, oceans, countries, Greenwich meridian, prime meridian, through the help of this globe. Okay, so that we are going to study in this lecture, in this video, in this upcoming chapter. Okay, the photographs taken by astronauts and orbiting satellites prove that Earth is a spherical in shape, but it is not true. Sphere. It is not true sphere. It is slightly bulging at the equator and the flattened at the poles. Slightly. Earlier in the early time, it is believed that our Earth is flat, but after the lots of research in the beginning of 17th century, different scientists have taken photographs. They research, they have studied, and also astronauts have taken the photos from the space, and the shape of the Earth is not the flat but the spherical. Okay, spherical in a way. It is slightly bulging at the equator. Equator. It is middle, passing through almost middle of this Earth. You can see it here. Almost it is passing through. So don't worry that I am going to explain it in very proper way, my dear students. So you will get understand the actual meaning of equator, 23.5, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, equator, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere, Prime Meridian, Greenwich Mean Time, Indian Standard Time, everything that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So I am going to share the screen, my dear students, so you will get understand. Okay, so you will get understand what we are actually doing. Again, I am going to show you. I am going to share the screen. And here I am going to show you the globe latitudes and longitudes. Okay. Astronauts, about the different photographs of the Earth they have taken from the Earth. They have taken from the space. Hundreds of pictures are available. Here you can see it. Thousands of pictures are there. Real pictures are there. Just see. So that we are going to learn about the different latitudes and longitudes. North Pole, South Pole. Okay. So that we are going to learn in this chapter. Different photographs of the Earth they have taken from this space. Okay, so that we are going to study in this chapter. My dear students, I hope that you are getting what we are discussing in chapter number 2, the globe latitudes and longitudes. Okay, the shape. Okay. The shape of the Earth, the shape I am going to explain through this It is not actually the full circle. It is not actually the full circle. Full circle. It is not actually like this. This is the just a model. But the actual shape of the Earth, it is here. Earth is spherical in shape, but it's not true. Not actual. It is not the round, but flattened from the poles. Okay. The actual, I am going to draw it here. It is slightly flattened from the poles. Here you can see that this is the poles, North Pole, and this is the South Pole. So they are slightly flattened from this pole. Slightly flattened. Slightly flattened from these poles are here. Okay, slightly flattened. And second thing is, and slightly bulging at the equator. Bulging, it is here. Equator. Slightly bulging. Okay, from the equator. So this is the actual shape of the Earth. Here on your screen you can see it. Okay, so you will understand.